Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ruth Silawan. I'm 37 years old. I am from San Luis, Caraga, Davao Oriental, Philippines. I'm married. I have two sons, aged 15 and 1 year old. My daughter's age 18 years old. My highest education attainment, high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, washing, cleaning, and ironing. And I am a pet lover. I have 3 dogs and 2 cats. My expertise are child care and elderly care. I work as domestic helper in Amman, Jordan for 2 years from 2015 until 2017. I work also Hong Kong for 2 years until 2021, 2020 until 2022. I serve 2 couple and 1 child, an elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and flexible. I promise to be a good housemate and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.